Okay, hello, welcome everybody. It is very close to Thanksgiving, so we are going to be going and visiting family for Thanksgiving.
And house hunting.
And house hunting, so we won't have a chance to get a trail footage or install video done for this week. Thanks everybody for coming along so far this year and last year. It's been a great year to have everybody along here. It's been a lot of fun, done a lot of videos, and there's a lot more coming up too. Especially, we'll be moving up to Connecticut within the next 2 months. Hopefully. It has to happen. So we'll be up in Connecticut, but we'll still be doing jeeping and wheeling as much as we can. It'll just look a little different and unfortunately far less URI.
We'll do probably a lot more traveling to jeeping, which might mean that we get to go more places. I don't know.
And we also have some interesting video formats we want to try out too, but TBD on that. But in the meantime, here's just a few of the projects that we're going to be working on in the coming little bits here. First off, the GoPro's broken, so we need the mount's broken. We need to fix that. But we've also got both of the Jeeps are broken in their own way right now.
Still drivable, but mine's a little weak at the knees.
Unsafe.
My ball joint, so why am I here?
Okay, do you want to say hi on? That was
Hi on.
Okay.
Yeah, so Chaz went pole dancing, so that was fun. My door needs help. I don't have a steering stabilizer, but I think I have a way to put it on now, so I need to actually do that. This is just a trophy from bad decisions and a horrible 2 weeks. We have a pumpkin, so that's fun. Oil pan for Chaz's Jeep because the first time out he didn't puncture his, but it met a rock
on backside of Daniel.
Yeah. What else we have? We have new formats we want to try. We have this monstrosity.
Well, the big thing here is the replacement complete brake job on the rear half. So new hoses.
Oh yeah.
New piston.
And that
brake
video
rotor,
is still not
new
up.
New pads.
That video is still not up because some things happened. You know what we could do? Okay. Here's what we're fixing. You know what we're putting here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And
sweet.
Everyone else will too once we put an image here. So that's happening.
Oh, we also have the wheel speed sensor to replace right there. We've got these fun little water troughs to put on there so that they can move the water.
More advanced.
Yeah, that's
Chaz needs a Cat 5 tire carrier,
which we got the replacement parts for.
Yep.
Gotta get those painted.
Some of it from Lance.
There's the other half of it.
Yep. And yeah, we will be finding time to do all that in between working full-time engineering jobs and just trying to have some semblance of a life. So, but also if there's anything else that you guys want us to see, let us know. Comment or join our Facebook group or find us on Instagram or send us an email.
You can, but we don't really check that.
I didn't know it existed until a week ago. Yeah, no, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, thanks for watching our videos.
Yeah,
Trail 15 seemed to be fairly popular, and I understand why. The park is fun.
But anyways,
somewhere here if you want to watch it. But
we really appreciate every single one of y'all coming along on this journey. It's awesome to see people even just leave a like or something on a photo that we took on Instagram, or people. We've had only a few people do this, but we'll be out on the trails and somebody will be like, "Oh, I know your Jeeps," and that's so odd.
It's very strange. This is I don't know you. Who are you?
Yeah, but it's really cool to see. So we're very excited to get jeeping with a whole different area of jeepers geographically up in the New England region.
Once we actually have a garage, hopefully we'll be doing a lot more work too.
Yeah, we gotta put the tire carrier on.
Yeah.
So, happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy other holiday time. Just spend it with people.
Hanukkah starts soon.
Yeah. Happy everything.
Jake.
To all the times. To you. have a have a safe
Hopefully
travels.
The start of the holiday season goes smoothly.
Don't buy all the Nisa's sausage because we can't get any of it.
Yeah, very sad.
But anyways, thank y'all again. We're looking forward to hanging out with many of y'all in the futurino.
Yeah. And if anyone does want to either hang out or needs help or wants to woo with us, then say something and we can say hi.
Yee. All right.
Yeah. That's all you gotta do.
That's so much extra.
I know. It was gonna be like a 3-minute. I did not sign up for this. I did not sign up for this.
All right.
Okay,
Kablam!
bye.